Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. With Valentine's Day approaching, this series will feature glam makeup looks. Today we're creating a soft glam eye with smoky cool brown, a shimmery khaki and buff black liner. Stay tuned for more shots of the finished look. I've completed one eye to show you the look. Let's move on to the other. I'm using this Bobbi Brown palette starting with a light cream shade under the brow to create a subtle highlight. I'm now applying this slightly darker cream shade with a sweeping motion, then blending it into the cream shade for a soft transition, extending it into the soft round edge at the outer corner. I'm now going to use this beige as the next transition colour with another eyeshadow brush, using the same technique, focusing mainly in the crease to deepen the area, and extending it into the outer corner. I'll then continue under the lash line. Next, I'll take a dark brown shade and a pencil brush to buff along the lower lash line, then use an eyeshadow brush to softly deepen the outer corner. Going back in with the pencil brush, I'll intensify the outer corner with more dark brown. To achieve a soft smoky effect, I'll use a slim brush to gently blend and soften the dark brown. Next, I'll apply this gorgeous shimmery khaki shade with a flat brush, sweeping it across the entire lid and blending it into the outer corner. For definition, I'll line the waterline with black eyeliner and extend it along the upper lash line, and then use a short brush to buff both the lower and upper lash lines with a touch of black eyeshadow. To complete the eyes, I'll finish with mascara and false lashes. For the face, I'll apply a light contour using a tan blush under the cheekbones, then add a touch of dusky peach to the cheekbones for a soft flush. For the lips, I'll line them with Bobbi Brown's Pale Mauve lip liner and finish with MAC's Modesty lipstick. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Sharing is caring, so feel free to spread the word for anyone who might enjoy these tutorials or want to collaborate. Follow me on Instagram for more looks and reels and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.